Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for honest reviews. The Holy Stone HS360S, a lightweight yet feature-packed GPS drone that's perfect for beginners and casual flyers. If you've been searching for an affordable, easy-to-use drone with 4K capabilities and smart flight features, you'll want to stick around for this one. Package unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the HS360S impresses with its sleek, foldable design. Weighing in at just 249 g, it avoids FAA registration requirements in the U.S., making it ideal for new pilots. The included carrying case, extra propellers, and user-friendly remote give a premium first impression for its price point. Movie camera quality. 4K UHD with a catch. One of the standout features is the 4K UHD camera. During testing, I captured crisp and vibrant aerial shots, especially in bright lighting. The 2-axis gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization do a decent job smoothing out footage, but don't expect cinematic-level stability. After all, this is a budget drone. Still photos are sharp and well exposed. However, in lower light conditions, the sensor does struggle a bit, producing some noise. For hobbyists and content creators getting started, though, this drone offers more than enough visual punch. Satellite antenna connectivity and control range. With a jaw-dropping 10,000 feet, about 3 kilometers, control range, the HS360S delivers outstanding performance for a drone at this price. In my range tests, I never pushed it quite to the max, but I consistently got stable transmission up to 2.5 kilometers in open areas using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV. That's impressive. Round pushpin GPS plus smart features. The GPS functionality is solid. It locks onto satellites quickly and holds its position steadily, even in moderate wind. Smart flight modes like Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Navigation worked well in my tests. The Follow Me feature tracks the subject decently, though occasionally lags behind if you're moving quickly. The Smart Return to Home is a lifesaver. One click brings it back, and in my experience, it lands within a meter of the takeoff point every time. Cyclone flight performance, smooth and stable. Thanks to its brushless motors, the HS360S flies smoothly and quietly. It handles well in both beginner and sport modes. The drone hovers steadily and responds to controls with satisfying level precision. Flight time is around 20 minutes per battery. Good, but not great. I recommend picking up the second battery for longer sessions. Mobile phone app experience, room for improvement. The Holy Stone app is intuitive and offers live video feed, flight data, and camera controls. While mostly stable, I encountered occasional connection hiccups and minor lag in the video feed. Nothing deal-breaking, but worth noting if you're planning to rely on real-time FPV streaming. Thumbs down cons. Video quality drops slightly in low light. App needs some polishing. Flight time could be better. Direct hit final verdict. The Holy Stone HS360S is one of the best entry-level GPS drones currently on the market. It nails the basics while offering premium features typically reserved for higher-end models. While there are minor trade-offs, like limited flight time and a few software quirks, this drone punches well above its weight class. For under $300, you're getting a feature-rich, stable, and fun-to-fly quadcopter that's perfect for learning, casual aerial photography, and even light content creation. Whether you're a beginner or a weekend explorer, the HS360S is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Speech Balloon, let me know in the comments if you've flown this drone or if you have questions about its features.